GXA Network Solutions presents Tech Tip Videos.
Hello all, welcome back to GXA Tech Tip Videos. Today we are going to take a look at how to use Windows 7 backup software to back up your computer. First we will start by going to my computer and check the size of your C drive that you want to back up. Most of the times the computers have only the C partition, but sometimes you might have a computer that has two partitions, C and D or C and E, depending on the drive letter. And you want to make sure that you have enough space on the USB drive for both partitions. So in this case, I'm just going to show you, even though the F drive does not have enough space, but I'm going to show you how the steps how to set up the backup. So the external USB drive in this computer is the F drive, which is labeled as GXA property. And in order to set up the backup, we go to Start and then go to Control Panel, and then in Control Panel go to Backup and Restore, and then from here we go to Setup Backup, and now it will scan for the partitions that are available to be backed up, and it will also give you the option of where you want to save the backup. So we will choose the USB drive, which is the F drive, and hit Next. In this screen you can let Windows back up your computer, or you can choose yourself what you want to back up. So we'll go and select Let Me Choose, hit Next, and here you can choose individual folders, or you can choose the entire partitions to be backed up. So if you want to just back up your documents or desktop files or other things that you have on the C drive, you can expand the folders and select the individual folders you want to back up. So if you want to just back up my documents, you expand the user folder, which is usually under Users on Windows 7, and then you select the folder and hit Next. But I'm also going to show you how to back up the entire partitions, just so you also have the entire computer in case your hard drive crashes and you need to replace it. So you want to select both partitions, and then also check this box here where it says include a system image of drives OS disk C and D, and hit Next. And then the schedule part, you can change it to where you can do backups daily, weekly, or monthly. We'll change it to daily, and we'll tell it to back it up at night at 10 p.m. and that box needs to be checked in order for it to run daily. Hit OK, and we'll go back to this other part. Just minimize these, make it easier. Alright, and now that we changed the schedule to 10 p.m., we go to Save Settings and Run Backup. So that's what we'll set up the backup schedule to run at night at 10 p.m. every night, and it will also start backing up your computer to that USB drive. Right now I'll cancel this backup, but if we need to make changes, you can go back to Control Panel and go to Backup and Restore, and you can there change the settings, add an additional drive to back up to, or if you want to completely remove this task, so you can add another backup task, you have to go under Administrative Tools and then go to Task Scheduler, and under Task Scheduler you have to go to Microsoft, Windows, and then scroll down to Windows Backup, and delete this task that says Automatic Backup. Right click and delete. and then once you delete it, you can go back to control panel, and from there you can start another backup schedule from the beginning. Alright, that's all for now, and hope you don't have to restore your files, but if you do, you'll have a good backup. Thanks.